Hi, welcome to week 8. It's been a while since I've posted one of these. Been out sick the last week or so still trying to get back up to speed. So there's a couple of things I've done. Posted the quiz link, you got the PowerPoint slides. I gave you a survey that I just want you to take this week just to kind of get a snapshot of where I want to take this, especially when we get into the second half of the class with the CCC&TI testing prep as to what makes better sense or how I'd like to deliver the material. So take a look at it. This week we're talking about DHCP. Not a lot of packet tracer labs. There's one lab and then one an integration lab which deals with VLANs, DHCP. So a little bit of a challenge, but you should do fine. So hopefully that makes up a little bit for last week where you had a lot of packet tracers. So minimize it down to 2, and of course the Chapter 8 exam. Let me know if you have trouble getting a copy of the textbook, the CCNA in 60 days, that I'm going to use for the second half of the class. If that's a financial strain, let me know, and we'll see what we can do. So if you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email, send me a text, whichever you prefer. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.